shame on you. I'm still trying not to write a song about you. Every song I think about is your name in the credits. Don't be mad because I read it, I was left a little lacking. And everyone I meet has a little of you in them, so I suppose I can believe them that they'll turn around and run for the hills. Yummy, I'm buzzed off. Yummy, I'm buzzed off. Yummy, I'm buzzed off. Yummy, I'm buzzed off. This is a chord, but before that it was just a note. But before that it was just another note by other men 1,000 years ago. And now I feel like a dick for the chords that I borrow because it sounds just like them. I'm still trying not to write a song like them. But every song I try to write has these guys as a reference. Don't be mad, it is my preference, and it changes about once a week. And every song I sing has a Woody Guthrie in it, so I suppose I can believe it that he's spinning in his grave as we